Hi and welcome to DCU Student Advice Centre. Today I will show you how the Student Advice Centre can make a difference in your life as a student. There is one centre on the Glasnevin campus and one centre on the St Patrick's campus. The Student Advice Centre supports all students with queries ranging from academic to finance or personal. Each centre has student advisors that will meet with you and discuss your query in confidence. They also host life skill workshops that will benefit you after you graduate from DCU. There is a welcoming reception in each of the centres and staff can refer you to the correct person to answer your query. This is the Student Advice Centre on the St Patrick's Drumcondra campus. It is in the C block opposite the main reception. The Student Advice Centre here on the Glasnevin campus is based on the ground floor of the Henry Grattan building across from the student restaurant. Let me show you how easy it is to make an appointment with a student advisor. Student advisors will listen to your questions, advise and guide you towards solutions, and are also available for follow-up appointments.
In first year, in around halfway through, I realised I wasn't exactly happy with my programme, so I came into the Student Advice Centre to inquire about changing programme. So I spoke to a student advisor about what fees were involved, what paperwork I had to fill in and when it could happen. So it was such a huge weight off my mind when I got all that help because it was so readily available to me there. So I'm now a first year communications student. I love my programme and I'm just really happy that I sought out that advice before making the decision.
To contact the Student Advice Centre, email student.support@dcu.ie or call 700 7165 for Glasnevin or 884 2004 for St Patrick's.